Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So welcome back to my channel guys, and today's video, it's another day, another vlog, another unboxing, another review of a scent, fragrance, whatever you call it, perfumes. And I myself, and you know me, that I love scents. So today, bear with me and stay with me and stay frosty, because we're gonna unbox this together. What I have here in my hand is a different scent, different brand that I'm working and collaborate with. And yeah, it's guess whose is this, and you'll find out. So yeah, let me fix something. So ta-da, let's move around. So it's Shakira. I love Shakira. I love the way she moves, and you know, she's a performer and she's a celebrity. And one thing for sure, that Shakira has her own brand with fragrance, scents, or perfumes, and I would love to. That's why I am trying this one, because I heard that it smells so good. So yeah, welcome back to my channel guys, and we're gonna, since I already opened it, so yeah, it's a pre-unboxing. So this is Shakira. It's Dance Shakira. Dance with me, with Shakira. And yeah, it's a Red Midnight SEDUCTION toilet natural spray. So it's a toilet natural spray. So let's find out if it smells still good and how it smells like. So I'm pretty sure it smells pretty good. So let's, give me a second. I have here, so this is Shakira. Oh my goodness, I love Shakira. So once again, this is Shakira Perfumes, and look at this one. Look at their bottle. I super love it, and even the packaging. So it's Shakira Perfumes Dance Red Midnight for women, and it's long lasting. So sorry guys, and my apologize to all men out there. This is not for you guys, this is for women. This is for women once again. So yeah, this is a long lasting perfume, like I said, and the reason why is it's a long lasting, let's find out why is it say so. So this is a long lasting perfume. Why? First of all, this perfume is elegant, sexy, and feminine fragrance, sweet and bold notes. See? And it's perfect and ideal for day wear. Also, it says, although it says a red midnight, but it's not for night wear. It's for, or ideal wear for daytime. So this is a 50 ml. It's a toilet spray fragrance or perfume, and it's bestseller, and it's like, it's not that expensive. It's pretty available for you guys. So I love this bottle right there. It's a Red Midnight. Let's see. Shakira. So feel the power. As you can see, it's red. Red stands for love, fire, bravery. So it's feel the power of the night when you wear this one. And this is Shakira Perfumes. It introduces a Red Midnight, its most hypnotic and sensual fragrance. A feminine perfume that transports you to when you feel that with the power of the night. And anything it's with your reach. And the sensuality of this perfume is Shakira Dance Red Midnight comes with battle that captures a moment. Look at that battle. And it's the sensual silhouette of Shakira's hips. Look at this one, the hips. That moving to the rhythm of the music. Shakira, whenever. So and talking about the sophistication and seduction of this perfume, it's merging into sweet but bold fragrance, which represents the same midnight fire. And for a combination of aromas, the aroma let's talk about, because this is one thing for sure that's really important for a fragrance or perfume. It's a floral heart of tuberose, an orange blossom. Once again, I would like to reiterate, it's the aroma for this perfume. It's a floral heart of tuberose and orange blossom. Oh my god, smells so good. So it's a vanilla and patchouli. It's give a touch of enveloping personality. That sounds good. While the top notes contrast with a citrus touch of bergamot. That smells so good. So Shakira, as we all know, she's the sexiest performer, celebrity, singer. Sexiest perfume. It's Red Midnight. It's the perfume for women once again, and it's encapsulates the most sensual and sizzling side of Shakira. So yeah, don't stop now, dare take to the next step, and it's the combination of fragrances, envelopes you like to care a caress. So yeah, this is a floral core, a floral core composed of tuberose and orange blossoms, and the vanilla and patchouli give it a touch of personality, while the top of the notes contrast with the citrus touch provided by the bergamot. So this is pretty interesting perfume, guys. I'm pretty sure you would love it. I love Shakira. So yeah, I already told the features and the details. So it's the base notes of bergamot and the Shakira Perfumes the Red Midnight. It's most hypnotic and sensual fragrance. So let's find out how it smells like. See? Let's find out how it smells like. Smells so good, guys. So whenever I try a perfume, I always have to put here. I have a friend of mine who works perfume. You just spray it here and smell it, and put it here and add a petroleum jelly. You can also have that one too. Oh my god, see, amazing, guys, and it smells so good. Trying to look at the battle. Shakira, look at the Shakira hips right there. Mm. I want to eat it. It smells so good. Mm. I love the bottle though. This is 50 ml. So this is made in Spain, Antonio. Made in Spain. The bottle is pretty safe, you know, and it's very handy. You have to be worried when you travel. Look at this one. Amazing. Shakira. I love Shakira. Thank you, Shakira. Dance Shakira Red Midnight. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description. And yeah, once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, enjoy the rest of your days, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit like, comment, share. And if you are a brand, don't hesitate to email me. I would like to collaborate in the future. And yeah, once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, enjoy the rest of your day, and bye for now. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.